Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a video marketing plan with Wistia, complete guide step by step clearly.
Begin by defining your target audience. Identify their demographics, interests, and pain points. Research where they consume video content.
Set clear goals for your video marketing campaign. Decide whether you want to increase brand awareness, generate leads, or drive sales. Choose the type of videos you want to create. Consider options such as explainer videos, product demos, or customer testimonials.
Outline your content strategy. Determine the topics that will resonate with your audience and align with your goals. Create a content calendar. Plan out when and how often you will release new videos. Focus on optimizing your videos for search engines. Conduct keyword research to find terms your audience is searching for. Write compelling titles and descriptions that incorporate these keywords. Develop a script for each video. Keep your messaging clear and concise. Use a storytelling approach to engage your viewers. Gather the necessary equipment for filming. Consider using a smartphone, a DSLR camera, or professional video equipment. Ensure you have good lighting and sound conditions. Film your video content. Keep your shots steady and your background uncluttered. Pay attention to your on-screen presence and energy. Edit your video using Wistia's editing tools.
Trim any unnecessary footage and add graphics or text as needed.
Incorporate a call to action at the end of your video. Decide on how to distribute your videos effectively. Share them on your website, social media, and email newsletters.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.